Budapest is the ninth largest city in the European Union by population, within city limits and the largest city on the Danube River. Straddling the Danube River, Budapest, Hungary's illustrious capital, is a treasured love of history, culture, and natural beauty. Renowned for its remarkable architecture, relaxing thermal baths, and flavorful cuisine, Budapest, once known as the Paris of the East. Budapest is known for being the spa capital of the world. It is a feast to the eyes, showcasing a mix of Roman, Ottoman, Gothic, Renaissance, and Art Nouveau influences. Budapest is also known as Heart of Europe, Queen of the Danube, Pearl of the Danube, capital of freedom, capital of spas and thermal baths, and capital of festivals.